to watch some TV. Let's turn this bad boy on. Welcome back to NCC News, reporting to you live from downtown New Clark City. A huge riot is happening right now over the new mayor. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the New Clark City Police Department and SWAT team at approximately 6:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Eastern Standard Time. The space objects that were previously reported to be heading towards Madison County that broke off from one of the moons orbiting that new exoplanet have been reported to be heading over to this area. Tons of new entities and other mobs have been detected roaming the streets of New Clark City and other areas. They are very dangerous and hostile and can easily kill you in just 2 seconds. Always carry around a netherite sword or some sort of weapon to defend yourself. Guns, swords, pickaxes even. Any weapon can be used to fend off these monsters. The Steel Leaf is working with the SCP Foundation and other foundations to contain these anomalies and entities and send them to a distant planet. We have already everything land has already colonized our area as a habitable place. And all the planets, everything has been taken into its area, leaving New Clark City behind. The other cities in the Clark County area have been sent there as well. New Clark City is in a state where it is irreversible. We have tried sending waves to satellites over everything land, but they did not reach yet. It is suspected that there's still infinite lengths, measurements of length and other forms of measurement away, and we cannot determine how long it'll take for the waves to reach, the signals to reach. But we've been working with the Steel Leaf private research facility over in downtown New Clark City to hopefully deter these space objects. The space objects are previously made alien technology that was abandoned due to the fact that alien technology advances quickly and the older stuff was just thrown out and drifted off into space. So now we're left with this alien tech that we do not know what it does, but it's reported that a new item known as the RCV2, aka the Reality Crusher, was also one of these alien technologies, and has been sent over to the Steel Leaf private research facility to be researched and see how it works. It is reported the Reality Crusher can spawn in absolutely anything you want it to, just like you can in creative mode in Minecraft, which, well, I'm in right now. But the problem with the Reality Crusher is you have to freeze the props if you don't want them to be moved around by other players. Please know that this is a dangerous situation. It is likely that these objects could easily destroy shelters and other buildings made by mankind. The older alien technology has changed the everything government, along with their alliances and other forces, are trying to save this old alien tech and use it for their own good. It is reported that they need it, and we're trying to send it back to them through ships that are carrying this technology back over to Everything Land. It'll take approximately 92,000 hours, aka 72 billion light years, to get over to Everything Land. So, don't expect it to take just a day, because we're not that far into technology yet. Please ensure that you're inside in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. This technology can send signals through windows that can mess up. Since glass isn't technically very, very strong, the signals emitted from the alien technology can easily go through the glass and infect you with an unknown disease. Keep away from all windows and doors. Keep away from all windows and lock all your doors and cover cracks with tape or damp towels. Seek shelter in an underground place or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows and doors. The Clark County Emergency Management and the Federal Emergency Management Agency are tied with the Steel Leaf and Chaos Militaries and AF authorized forces to work with the Everything Canadian government to save this old alien tech. The other space objects that are coming into orbit with Earth are rocks and other things, and many planets. It is expected the Earth to be destroyed in 2 million years. Repeating, it is expected Earth to be destroyed in 2 million years if these objects continuously hit Earth. Low-lying islands will be immediately destroyed in 2 years. Places that have many buildings will be destroyed in 50,000 years. And other places might not be destroyed at all. Some places that have been abandoned by governments might be salvaged and used for residential. After 2 million years, the Earth will become inhabitable due to the object covering the entirety of the atmosphere, leaving the sky to be a dark brown color and the weather to be extremely harsh. Some areas might still be habitable, such as areas that don't have much on them. Huge land masses, such as Mount Everest, will go underwater in just 200 years. Areas with tall skyscrapers will go underwater in 250 years. The weight of millions of pounds coming from these land masses and buildings will sink the land into the water. If you are in a small town, you may not be affected at all. Too much weight on the land can push it down, causing tectonic activity and water rise and the rise of water. Robots have been sent out to try and save the humans in New Clark City, as the city is going to be susceptible to being sunken in just 250 years. If you are in downtown New Clark City, evacuate within 250 years, or you will go underwater. The downtown area has been blocked off by military and other authorized forces to ensure that residents in the outskirts live. Evacuate New Clark City's downtown area within the next 16 days, or you will be left in the next 96 to 152,000 hours. or you will not be able to evacuate. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. This alert's been authorized by the Federal Emergency Management Agency and other authorized forces. Oh God. Time to leave the house. Time to go alert my I forgot my mom used to live here. It's time we alert my family about this. Hey, what happened at my family's house? Oh, I forgot it caught on fire. I keep forgetting. Ah, man. I wish my family still lived here, dude. I can't believe they died. Well, at least we know that their house is still here, but it's, well, destroyed now. So I guess it got sucked up by a tornado or something. So I guess we're gonna leave. Rest in peace to my family's house. It was nice coming here to relive some memories. Now really, it's time to get out of here because if we don't, we're gonna die. We need to somehow get on that bridge and head that way, back that way where we came from. This is terrible. So I guess we just turn this way. I don't know where we're going. We're technically still in the downtown area. I heard they said it was blocked off, but I don't see any barriers. I guess they haven't gotten to building them yet. Enter only. Okay, we're turning down this road. Yes, the highway, yes! Yay, we're on the highway. Let's go. Well, I wish we were. We're not. But if you keep going down this way, see, look, we have power lines. We're gonna just go ahead and switch lanes real quick. Past the random, just go straight. Hold on, are there any highways? Nope. Alright. Well, oh jeez, I gotta avoid. It's raining again, okay. Well, time to turn down this road. I don't know if we're safe, but I guess we're getting further out into the dock area. I don't think I'm allowed here. There's so many on that big bridge, you see? Oh, I see highway signs. Yep, we're definitely on the highway now. Now all we need to do is just stay on the highway. Okay, let me take these out of here. Get back in the car and drive. Okay, avoid turning. Don't turn. Don't do anything. I think we're heading further into the downtown area now, because I see we're in a pretty densely populated area. Hold on. Turn. I think this is the direction they want me to go. Yeah, I definitely do remember going down this road to enter this area. So, yep, highway sign. I see highway sign. That means we're on the highway again, baby. Let's go. Turn! Gosh, golly, that traffic. Yeah, we're definitely in the downtown area. The alert said not to go into the downtown area or we would die in 250 years. But, I mean, we're It's fine. It's fine. I'll just kill my car. Hold on. It's fine. I'm just gonna go around the hole and spawn in my car again because I have the power to do that. S60R red. There we go. We have our car. Let's put the spawner in our inventory. Alright, it's time to turn down the... Did I just run something over? I just ran something over. Alright, well, now we have the residents living in the city. Well, the remains of the residents. So we're passing the burning building now. So yeah, we're definitely where we were before. I remember all of these buildings. There's no light here for some reason, so I guess we'll just go. I don't know. We just ran something over again. I mean, we're trying to get out, so obviously we would try and at least just drive. I mean, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Clark County Emergency Management and the Clark County Government. At approximately 2:15 a.m. approximately 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Clark County Space Administration, or the CCSA, has detected more space objects. These space objects are expected to hit Earth in approximately two hours. These space objects contain nuclear byproducts, such as uranium-255 and other radioactive materials. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Bigger rocks and planets made of this stuff have also been detected moving into the orbit of Earth, causing extensive damage to buildings and destruction as well. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Make sure to go over to Mine York City. Mine York City is the only place you can go that's safe. Mine York City, that's really far away. Evacuate now. Repeating. Evacuate now. Mine York City is our only hope. Repeating. Mine York City is our only hope. Bop! 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 Are you kidding me? So I have to go all the way to Mine York City? Are you kidding me? That's gonna take like 2 hours. I'm not driving that. It's gonna be the exact amount of time I'm gonna be spending here, just sitting here listening to the story. Those radioactive materials are gonna be here in that amount of time too. Okay, so we gotta go. Get there before the radioactive materials get here. Move, bosses, move! Get out of the way! I'm trying to drive. Green, 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 go, 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 go. We gotta go. Alright. Is that a monorail? If I could find that station, I could probably get out of here quicker. But those doors are clogged. Okay, well, we can't take the... Oh, what happens if we're running these over? Nothing. We'll just go straight through. Oh, man. Drive. Drive. There's no other highway. In quotation. Just continue going. Just go. That's the only thing you can do at this rate. You know what? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. We gotta go back. Move. Ah, turn. Turn. Okay, just go straight. Just go straight. Just go straight, dude. Why is everyone going rogue? I just found the police station. They'll know what's going on. Police! Police! Help me! Help me! I have an issue. Sir, what is your issue? Can you help me evacuate? Sorry, sir, we can't help you right now because we're under attack by an unknown anomaly. So, yeah, you gotta go now. We gotta go. Come on, let's go. We gotta go. Everyone in the swamp van. We gotta leave. We gotta leave. Grab your machine guns. I guess they're really trying their hardest to defeat those anomalies, aren't they? I don't think they're getting very much done, though, is the issue. So I guess we're gonna have to go into the... Wait, what's this? I think this is our only hope right here. Just drive. Drive until you get out of the city. Well, we could just turn, but this thing does not do too well on walls. Alright, it's fine. I don't know where the highway is, dude. I'm just driving. Lenny, you're not helping. What? Okay. I guess we're gonna try and go around, I guess. I don't have much of a choice. Oh, diagonal road. We can just go as fast as we want down this road, right? Correct, I think. Hold on, Hannah. I think we might have found our escape here. I think we might have found the escape route. We're not going down there. I don't like going down the alleyways. Well, I guess we're not getting into Mine York City anytime soon. I guess we're gonna succumb to the radioactive fallout. And nuclear explosions that are probably gonna occur. But in my last moments, I guess we could continue driving around downtown. Oh, I see rocks up in the sky. Okay, well, I guess they're here. Well, I mean, the least we could do is at least try and survive. I don't think it's gonna do us any good, but I mean, I'm gonna stay in my car and wait for the explosion. Actually, you know, I should probably get away from the explosion before I ever think about staying in this car. Oh, I hear noises. I think they're literally entering the Earth's atmosphere right as I speak. Okay, just drive. Drive as far as you can away from the blast. Just go. Like how far off away we're going to look. Kaboom! I just heard the explosion. Okay, just continue. Oh man, the electric system got knocked out. Well, we can at least look behind us, right? This will probably protect us. Okay, duck down. Oh, this is left over. Okay, well, I guess we'll just stay here since, well, we're screwed. Wait, this thing still somehow works? Okay, well, I guess we're gonna drive off from the blast. Alright, come on, let's go. Guess I weren't wrong after all. We can survive this nuclear explosion in the car. They blocked off the escape. Well, I guess we're stuck here now since I can't find the highway. Wait, hold on. This looks promising. Hold on. I think we might be entering the industrial area. Because I see industrial buildings around me. Come on, car, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Lenny, stop being an ad. You're not helping. Transportation. I've rode with them before. They're really good at finding stuff. But finally the rain's going away. Now these moms will start dying. I'm tired. I just want to quit driving for once. I don't like doing this. I don't like driving down the road at ludicrous speeds. Wait, building, they might help us. Oh, wait, this is a storage facility now, isn't it? Oops, sorry I interrupted your jobs, guys. I'll go ahead and go. Ah! This stupid barrier, dude. Okay. Just drive. Just turn down the way we were going for. Okay. Well, now that these mobs are burning, Philippine flag, oh, building. It doesn't have much windows at all, actually, so just pull over to the side of the road and hop out of the car, because we're going in this place. Oh, it's empty. Well, never mind. It's not going to provide much protection if it's absolutely freaking empty. Wait, one of these buildings has to have an interior, right? Like, there's no way this building can't have an interior. That has a lot of windows. These buildings... Wait, this one's good. This one looks good. Although it's quite dark. The headlights aren't doing their job of providing much light. Now... Traffic cones, I don't care what you say. I'm driving on the road that's you're not supposed to drive on. Oh, we're driving on the opposite side of the road. Get back on the other side. Highway! I think this is the highway. I think this is the road we were on. Huh? No, no! Alright, just don't turn it off. Wait, are the groceries here? Escape route. Thank you, road. I guess we're gonna go back the way we just came. What did you say the groceries would be here? 30 minutes to an hour from now? Okay. The highway. Thank God we're on the highway. No one can really leave this city. Nope, okay. Guess we're driving on this then. Okay, well. Hold on, let me turn. I really don't want to drive on the cones. I don't want to drive in the middle of the street, dude. I don't like being in between the lanes. Okay. Well, just, you know. Now that we know we're safe. Looting, knockback, and punch 32,700. Wool, the wool factory. Wait, this isn't a highway? Really? What? I thought this was a highway. I thought this was going. Fine, we'll just hop out of the car. There's nothing I can really do about it. Guess we're gonna enter the wool facility since it probably provides a lot of shelter. Wool facility. Is anyone working at the wool facility, huh? No, it's a factory. I forgot. I guess I got all the wool colors here. All the wool colors. Every single one. Just on display for everyone to see. Alright, I guess we're gonna hide down here holding our sharpness, looting, knockback, and punch 32,767 stick. And if someone comes here, they die instantly. Even the Ender Dragon can't. Even Jean can't survive this. See if we summon. Summon. summon the Ender Dragon. We can kill it instantly, dude. It just broke a hole through the wool factory. How could you? How could you, Ender Dragon? How could you break through the wool factory? Well, we summoned the Ender Dragon. He's gone. There's random chests, barrels, and things. I want to get on the highway, but for some reason we're flying. I don't know why. I guess we're gonna game mode S ourselves. Wait. That's the road we were just on. Why are we heading back? Is the radiation really that bad? That powerful, just pulling me back? No. We're destroying New Clark City, and we're going back into the radiation zone. No, don't do it. Not the junkyard. Ugh. Ugh. This place is filthy. This place is filthy. I just got stack and 22 sticks. I guess this is how much looting we get. Guess we're just gonna climb the mound of dirt and random useless blocks that don't provide any sense of protection. These trees are probably rotting away. Ooh, oh, that's not safe because it's probably radioactive by now. The nuke landed literally right here. Why is there not a nuclear hole? I guess it's because it's not a bomb. It's the literal asteroid. I guess it destroyed the wool factory. And that was not the Ender Dragon that did that. That was definitely not the Ender Dragon, guys. That was definitely not the Ender Dragon. That was definitely not Jean herself. Die. We just got 2 stacks and 58 sticks, dude. That's a lot of sticks. I don't know what you're gonna do with that many sticks, dude. Summon Minecraft Wither. If we summon the Wither, you can regenerate your health, but you're gonna... The Wither just died instantly, dude. I didn't even try. I just hit it once and he died, dude. How do you do that? I summoned the Wither. And I got 2 andesite slabs, 3 cobblestone, and 10 black terracotta and podzol and stuff. Well, we don't really need that stuff knowing that we're gonna die. Let's see what happens when we break this block. Well, let's break into this building here. Die! Wait, this isn't a... Wait, why did we just land on a random... Wait a second. There's a hole I fell out of. I fell through. Well, it's deep. It's really, not deep at all. Oh, yes. Yes, electronics. Guess this is the end of New Clark City for me. What? Uh-oh.